So we're going to do the mid-chapter checkpoint, and remember the rules with the mid-chapter checkpoint. Try and go through and see what you can do before you check your answers with me, okay? So if you haven't done it, go ahead and do it now, and then come back and watch this video. So it says explain how to find 20 divided by 4 by making an array. Well, I'm going to make it, and then we're going to talk about it. So 20 divided by 4. We're going to take our divisor, which is 4. We go 4 down, right? And then we're going to just keep making rows of 4 until we get 20. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 total. We have 4 rows with 5 in each row. So to write that, we would say we take our divisor, and make equal rows until we get our dividend, which is 20. So we take our divisor and we make, which is 4, we made 4 rows, and we make equal rows until we get our dividend, which is 5. Explain how to find 30 divided by 6 by making equal groups. So I'm going to make 6 equal groups first. And just going to count 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So we take our divisor, we take the divisor, which was 6, and make groups. And once we take the groups, then we count our dividend in the groups. Which our dividend is 30. We count our dividend into the groups, like we just did. So take the divisor, make the groups, and then count the dividend in. Up here, you take the divisor, make the rows, and then count the dividend into the rows equally. Okay, very, very similar. These are fact families. We know 10 times 5 makes 50. So 50 divided by 10 makes 5. We know 2 times 8 makes 16. So 16 divided by 2 is going to be 8. We know 2 times 10 makes 20. So 20 divided by 2 is going to be 10. 5 times 4 makes 20. 20 divided by 5 is also going to be 4. The quotient, 6 divided by 6 equals 1. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. 54 divided by 6 equals 9. And 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Number 15, it says, Carter has 18 new books. He plans to read 3 of them each week. How many weeks will it take for Carter to read all of his new books? Well, our equation is going to be 18 divided by 3. Okay? And the final answer is going to be 6 weeks. We could also do it like this. We have 3 books. That's our dividend. Or 3 weeks. Or 3 books. And we can count 18 into all of them, which will give us our weeks. So, he's planning to reach 3 of them each week. So these stands for week. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And now they all have 6. Gabriella made 5 waffles for breakfast. She has 25 strawberries and 15 blueberries to put on top of her waffles. She will put an equal number of berries on each waffle. How many berries will Gabriella put on each waffles? So she has 25 strawberries and 15 blueberries. So we got to find out how many berries she has. So 25 plus 15. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0, carry your 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 makes 4. So she has 40 berries, and she's going to put them on 5 waffles. So there's our equation. And if we skip count 5 to 40, it's going to be 8 berries. Okay, 8 berries. And remember, we have a multiplication table. This is how we've been working it pretty good. We can take this, you know, I have 5, and we'll go down to 40 and go over. It would give us our answer. Number 17. There are 60 people at a fair waiting in line for a ride. Each car ride can hold 10 people. Write an equation that could be used to find the number of cars needed to hold all 60 people. So we have 60 people, and each car holds 10. There's our equation. Final answer, 6 cars. Because 60 divided by 10 is 6. Our last problem. Alyssa has 4 cupcakes. She gives 2 cupcakes to each of her cousins. How many cousins does Alyssa have? So Alyssa has 4, and she gives 2 cupcakes to each of her cousins. So you can say this. She has 4 cupcakes. And she gives 2 to each cousin. Well, that's going to give us 4 divided by 2 equals 2 cousins. Now we also could do it like this, is she gives 2 cupcakes to each cousin. So here's a cupcake and here's a cupcake. And we count 4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take our divisor, then count in the dividend. That will show the same way. All right. This was a pretty easy mid-chapter. Hopefully you guys got most of it right. If you have trouble with any of them, please circle it so we can go back and look and see what you guys might be having trouble with. Other than that, you guys have a good one.